Well, hi Teenies. Hopefully we are in here for what is going to be a quick video. I need to do some harvesting and maybe I'll show you a little bit of what I have been up to. Don't know if you can see those strings. There's one there, there's one there, and there's another one up there. It's already covered with plants, you can barely see it. Anyway, I have all these strings that I've started doing all across the greenhouse, and I'm going to explain those later. So we are in here because I need to harvest a few cucumbers. And that's going to be the little potato cucumbers. And as you can see, they are all over the place. And then of course we have the regular cucumbers. I believe they're called a cucumber 99. I'll verify that name. Anyway, so we've been harvesting a lot of those. And you might notice that I have thinned out a lot of the tomato plants. They look quite naked, but I'm happy with that. And as you can see, the Aunt Molly's, the cherries are in full swing. And my tomatoes are getting very close to being harvested. They're starting to turn yellow. It's the Valencias. Should be harvesting those soon. And the cherries are doing really well. And yes, I have them in those bags. If you follow the string, you can see I have it on one of those little hooks right there, because the branches were beginning to get really heavy and I didn't want it to break. So any of them that look like they're starting to get heavy, I just put them in a bag and help hold it up with that string. So anyway, let's go ahead and do my harvest. Ouch, it's quite prickly. And I really haven't checked to see whether I'm picking them. Ouch! A little too early. Probably should go check before I pick too many of them. But I've eaten quite a few and they're really yummy. So I don't mind picking them at this stage, even if they're not completely ready. Yeah, they're quite prickly. You can see there's some more in the back. going to give those another day or two. I can probably give that one another day. And I know this doesn't seem to be a lot of food for most people, but there's only 2 of us, so this has been more than we can eat on most days. And I'm going to be doing some pickling too. So we can have some for the winter. There we go. I really should have brought my basket for this. So, about these strings that I'm talking about, I think this would be a good example. We have that plant right there, that tomato, and you might have noticed that I'm having a lot of trouble with the tomatoes when they get too tall and they're climbing all the way up. And then it gets too hot and they stop producing. So I talked to my mom, and my mom has been growing cherry tomatoes for over 20 years. And she suggested that I string the tomato vertically. So that's what I'm doing right there. Right there. And I'm going to do that for each of the tomato plants and each of the cucumbers and anything else that gets too tall. As it gets a little too high, I'm going to put another string and string it along so it starts to grow vertically. Sorry, horizontally. And that keeps things a little cleaner. I can see everything. I need to harvest that as well. And then I don't end up with that mess right up there. All right up there. Alright, that's it for now.